today's episode of Data Trends Unplugged, the podcast where we delve into the fascinating world of data science, digital marketing, and beyond. I'm your host, Raabia Riaz, a data scientist with a specialty in digital marketing. Today, I'm thrilled to be joined by two distinguished guests, Afnan Khan and Muhammad Umair, both graduates from University of Stirling. Though we are currently based in the UK, but our roots trace back to Pakistan, Afnan is working in London for a financial media company where he undertakes tech-related projects on the side. Muhammad, on the other hand, manages a jewelry brand in Orkney Islands, focusing on the technical aspects of improving the brand's ROI. We welcome you both, Afnan and Muhammad.
Thank you, Raabia. It's a pleasure to be here.
Thanks for having us, Raabia.
So let's dive into our project, implementation with pragmatic approach, strategic insights, and the Loch, Lomond and the Trossachs National Park Authority Visitor Survey 2019 and 20. So what motivated you to take on this project and what were its main objectives?
The project aimed to leverage visitor survey data to enhance the experience of Loch Lomond National Park. We focused on understanding visitor behavior and preferences to provide actionable insights to improve the park services and sustainability efforts.
We analyzed a data set from 2,265 visitors collected during the 29-20 period. Our approach combined data analytics, machine learning models, and statistical methods to deliver comprehensive insights to the park authority.
Well, that's a robust approach, I must say. Could you detail the specific machine learning techniques and tools you employed and their relevance to the project?
Certainly. We used Orange to outline rough process of data mining, which helped us to conceptualize our workflow. Given the unstructured nature of the data, we used Python for data cleaning and to structure it properly. This was followed by R for exploratory data analysis, where we identified key trends and patterns.
For predictive modeling, we relied on Python. We implemented logistic regression to predict factors influencing visitor satisfaction, similar to how logistic regression might predict customer retention in business. Decision trees were employed to classify visitors into segments based on their preferences, analogous to customer segmentation in marketing. We also used KNN, nearest neighbor, which was used for a classification task, as well as the use of natural language processing. NLP was there as well to help us analyze sentiment from open-ended survey responses.
Well, it's impressive how you've integrated both qualitative and quantitative analysis. I can relate to your approach because a couple of months ago, I worked with a digital event platform provider where we use analytics extensively to understand user feedback and how to improve platform functionality. Also, by analyzing critiques and reviews, we provided developers with the crucial insights and that informed the platform's iterative development. The feedback loop has become central to how developers enhance platform functionality nowadays, ensuring that user and the needs and preferences of the users are always at the forefront.
That's a great example, Raabia. Similar to your experience, we also focused on delivering practical data-driven insights. We categorized and labeled our data using various tools to ensure clarity and accuracy.
Our work involved a comprehensive industry analysis, examining trends and benchmarking against other national parks. This allowed us to situate our recommendations within a broader context and align them with industry best practices.
It's essential to have a structured approach in data projects, I must say. We followed CRISP DM methodology, a process model that stands for cross-industry standard process for data mining. It begins with business understanding and processes through data understanding, data preparation, modeling, evaluation, and deployment. This framework ensures that we maintain focus on delivering actionable insight rather than just technical complexity.
Exactly. Crisp DL guided our entire process, for initial data exploration to the final deployment of the insights. The iterative nature of Crisp DM was crucial, as we frequently refreshed earlier phase to refine our analysis based on new findings.
So one aspect of data science that I always emphasize is the importance of clear communication, especially when presenting findings to non-technical stakeholders. How did you handle this in your project? I should ask.
I'll take this one. We prioritize making our insights accessible and actionable. This involves creating visualizations, just like heat maps, word clouds, to clearly depict activity and sentiment analysis from qualitative data. These visuals were instrumental in communicating our findings effectively.
We also face challenges such as ensuring data privacy, managing the complexity of our models. We overcame these by adhering to ethical standards and focusing on practical applications of our findings, ensuring that they were not just theoretically sound but also actionable.
It's vital to balance technical rigor with practical applicability. How was your work received, and what were real-world applications do you see arising from your project?
The Park Authority was highly appreciative of our work. Our findings are already being implemented to enhance visitor services in the future, such as improving facilities and managing visitor flow to protect natural habitats.
Additionally, our segmentation analysis is aiding in the development of targeted marketing strategies. Understanding different visitor profiles enables Park to tailor their communication and offerings, thereby enhancing the visitor satisfaction and engagement.
Brilliant. Congratulations on the successful project and the recognition of from Stirling Management School. So before we wrap up, do you have any advice for aspiring data scientists, particularly those interested in similar projects?
My advice is to focus on end goal of delivering actionable insights. It's not enough to produce complex models, as you need to ensure your findings can drive real world decisions and improvements.
And always communicate your results clearly. It's crucial to translate technical findings into a language that non technical stakeholders can understand and act upon.
Excellent advice. Thank you both for sharing your valuable insights and experiences. It's been a pleasure having you both on the show.
Thank you, Raabia.
Thanks, Raabia. It's been a great discussion.
And a big thank you to our listeners for tuning into Data Trends Unplugged.